Welcome to Jay's Avian Place. Meet English. English is known as a Jamaican black-billed parrot. Today I want to share with you a video I recorded. I always visit the cage and find her standing on top of the cage. I always wondered how did she get out. So I recorded what happened. I taught her how to open the cage so I could place the water and the feeding in. Didn't know she would use it against me. To my surprise, after rewatching the video, this is what happened. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe so you can see more amazing videos of my budgies and my parrot. Let me know what you think in the comment sections below.